Hello friends and family, you're welcome back to Internet Arena, and in today's video you are going to look at how you're going to make 1000 Ghana cedis plus with 2400 cedis as your capital, or any amount that you have that you're gonna start with, and you can make some cool cash for yourself without struggling or doing anything. In any way, I am not your financial advisor, so I only share videos that helps me to make money online and refer friends to join, so that I'm also gonna benefit something small from that. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's get into today's video. And what we are going to look at today is this site. It's pretty cool. Okay, so let's say it's a Bitcoin mining site. Okay, so what this app does is you just have to make a deposit of any amount that you have. Okay, so after making your deposit, there are going to be plans for you to choose from, and you'll be benefited, or your money is going to be used for trading. Okay, so after the cycle that you choose, your interests are going to be added into your account, so you can withdraw it straight back to your own account and then to your mobile money. Okay, so let's get into the video. I'm going to leave the link in the description below, so you just have to click on the link and you are going to be directed to this place. Okay, so if you are using an iPhone, you just click on the iOS, and if you have an Android phone too, you have to click on the Android, and right after that it's going to start the downloading of the app for you. Okay, so after downloading the app, all you need to do is install it and open the app, and this is the name of the app. So it is called Dragon X. Okay, so you are going to go ahead and open the app right now, and this is how the app looks like. Okay, so once you open the app, you are going to see this interface. Okay, so to get started, you just have to click on the me down here, and you can see user not logging in. Okay, so you have to create an account. Okay, so as a new subscriber, you just need to click on the sign up here. Okay, and you are going to be asked to provide these informations. Please kindly provide a valid phone number, so that whenever you forget everything, you can just go ahead and reset your password. Okay, so where they have written mobile box number, you just have to go ahead and provide your valid phone number. So I'm going to provide my phone number right here, and you choose a strong password, okay, that you can still remember or something, and please keep it safe. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and enter my channel name, Internet Arena. Okay, and confirm the same password. Alright, so after that, you have to choose a security password that you're going to be asked whenever you are making transactions on this app. Okay, this is to protect your account from either hackers, stealers, or something. Okay, so just choose a strong password that you can remember always. Okay, so let me go ahead and still enter the same thing. Okay, so you have to now enter invitation code. Okay, so my invitation code is C1. Okay, CC3. All right, so please kindly enter the same thing, or if I am making some mistake, I'll leave it in the description box. Okay, so you just have to look on that one, and then you paste the same thing in the invitation code right there. Okay, so after everything, you just have to go ahead and click on the sign up. I already have an account, so I'm not going to sign up again, but I'll rather sign into my account. Okay, so let's just go ahead and sign in into the account. All right, so after successful registration, you'll be asked to provide the phone number that you provided during your registration. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and enter my phone number right here, and my password. Okay, so I'll have to enter my valid password that I provided during the verification. Okay, so you can see verification code. This verification code, they are trying to say you have to enter this letters that you are seeing right there into the place. They just want to verify that you are not a robot. Okay, so just go ahead and look on the that thing and write the same thing right here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and enter GV. Sorry, I can't actually see, so you can just click on it and next one is going to be given to you. Right, so I can now see ENJE. Okay, so after that you just have to click on the sign in. So you can see landed success, and this is how everything works. Okay, so once you are new here, you just have to come to the mine. Okay, so you can recharge any amount, but it shouldn't be less than 2 USDT. Okay, and this actually works with Bitcoin. Okay, USDT. So if you don't actually know how to deposit here, you can chat me on WhatsApp and I'm going to provide you with the USDT as well. Okay, I buy and sell USDT, so I can provide you with that. Okay, but please, I am not a vendor, so I actually buy with mobile money. So very soon I'll provide a video on that one too. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on the recharge right here. Okay, so this, when you click on the recharge, this is what you are going to see, and what you are seeing is this account, your address. Okay, your deposit address. So all you are going to do is just click on this copy right here and head on straight to where you keep your cryptocurrency. Okay, just go to where you keep your cryptocurrency, either Trust Wallet, Binance, or whatever that, wherever you keep your cryptocurrency, and then make your deposit. Okay, so you saw there was something saying it shouldn't be less than 2 USDT. That's the minimum amount. Okay, so I'm going to copy. I'm going to actually make the deposit, but I'm showing you how you're going to go with it. Okay, so you have to click on this copy and then head on straight to your Binance or your Trust Wallet or wherever you keep your cryptocurrency, and then you make the deposit. Okay, so I am using BitAfrica, and very soon I'm going to provide a video on how you can buy and sell Bitcoin with BitAfrica, but you can just go ahead and search for more about it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is select USDT right here. Okay, USDT, and if I had some money inside, I'm going to go ahead and then just send the amount I want to deposit. Okay, so let's say I want to send, so I'll go ahead and send USDT. Okay, and I'll enter the recipient address here. That's the address that I copied from my account in the app. Okay, so just go ahead and paste the amount, the address here, and enter the amount you want to deposit. Okay, so I will advise you to make a bigger deposit so that your earnings are going to be bigger. Okay, so let's say I'm depositing $100. Okay, you just have to enter the 100 and then you go ahead and continue. But I have no money in this wallet, so it's actually not going to reflect. Okay, so after everything, you just have to confirm and come back and refresh your account, and that's all. It's going to pop up right here for you to see your balance. Okay, so right after seeing your balance, you just have to go to the financial right here. Okay, so you can see you have financial here. Okay, so you have to click on the financial, and on the financial you're going to see these are the cycle. Okay, these are the packages for you that you can choose from. Okay, so we have 1 day deposit, 1 day cycle, we have 7 day cycle, 30-day cycle, 60-day cycle, and 180-day cycle. Okay, so let's say you have $100 and you want to go for the 30 days cycle. Okay, so all you need to do is just click on the trade now. Okay, so the investing amount for 30 days is $50 to $100. Okay, so if you had $100 in your account, you can just go ahead and enter that here, and you enter your founding password, the password that I asked you to please enter it during the verification, your registration. Okay, so you're going to enter the same password here, so that after that you click on the done. Okay, so right after that you're going to see it will come to this trading. Okay, it will come to this trading right here, and the money is going to be deducted from your available balance. Okay, so once it is trading, after the successful 30 days, you are going to have a profit of 42% added to your your deposit. Okay, so your $100 is going to be there, and you will have an extra 42% profit. Okay, so let's just do some calculation right here and see something. Okay, so let's say you deposited $100, and the dollar rate in Ghana right now is 12 cedis. Okay, so let's say 12 cedis. So you deposited 1,000 to 1,200 Ghana cedis. Okay, and at the end of the 30 days, you were added with 42%. Okay, so 42%, you're going to get $142. Okay, so let's just convert the 42. Let's subtract our deposit from the new balance. Okay, so let's say 142 minus 100. Okay, so you're going to have $42 profit. Okay, so let's convert the $42 profit into Ghana cedis, and you can see you made 500 cedis during the month. Okay, so this is your profit. And if you, let's say you deposited $200. Okay, so $200 plus 42%. All right, so you're going to have $284. Let's convert the $84 into Ghana cedis, so that you are going to see how much we got for the month. Okay, so $84 times 12 cedis. Okay, so we are going to earn 1,000 cedis for the month if you made a deposit of 2,400. All right, so this is all for today, and thank you for watching. If you don't actually understand anything, you can just leave it in the comment box, and I'll try my possible best and respond to you. Okay, I'm going to leave my WhatsApp number, so in case of everything, you can also chat me right there. Boom, I'm signing out. Thank you for watching.